In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use customized cutout in CapCut. By the end, you'll know how to precisely remove backgrounds or unwanted objects using CapCut's custom removal tools so your subject stands out cleanly. Start by opening CapCut and creating a new project so you have a clean timeline to work with. If you're editing multiple clips, it's a good idea to decide on your aspect ratio up front so your framing stays consistent as you work. Next, add your video to the timeline. You can drag and drop your clip or tap the import button and choose your file. Give the playhead a quick scrub to check where the subject is most visible and where the distraction or background you want to remove shows up clearly. If needed, trim the start and end so you're only working with the portion that matters. A shorter clip is quicker to process and easier to refine. Now, head to the Cutout tools. Look for Remove BG, then choose Custom Removal. This is the option that gives you control rather than a full automatic background delete. Custom Removal lets you target exactly what you want gone while keeping the parts you want to preserve. Once Custom Removal is open, select the brush. Adjust the brush size to fit the detail you're working on. A larger brush for broad areas and a smaller one for edges, hair, or fine objects. If you can, zoom into the preview for precision, and slow the playback to make careful strokes easier. Keep your cursor just inside the edges you want to remove to avoid nibbling into the subject. Begin painting over the unwanted objects or areas in your clip. As you paint, CapCut will remove what you've covered and preview the result in real time. If you go too far, use undo or switch to the eraser to bring parts back. Work in passes. First outline the area, then fill it in. For clean results on edges, reduce brush size and gently trace the boundary. If you notice fringing or halos, look for feather or edge smoothing controls to soften the transition. Scrub through your timeline and check multiple frames. If the subject or the background moves, you may need to touch up a few moments where the removal misses a bit. Small targeted strokes usually look more natural than one heavy pass. When you're satisfied, play the clip from the start to confirm everything looks consistent. That's it. Your custom cutout is applied, and you can continue editing, add a new background, or overlay graphics with confidence.